In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers in Canva. Whether you're crafting these to jazz up your digital content or thinking about bringing them into the physical world, this is the perfect starting point. And good news, you can accomplish all of this in just 5 minutes. So let's jump in and create something incredible together. First things first, to get started, open up Canva. If you're new to Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly graphic design platform that simplifies the design process for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. Once you're in, the next step is to create a custom design. You can start by clicking on Create a Design. From here, you'll want to select Custom Dimensions. This is where you can control the size of your sticker. Common sticker sizes are often small, so you might consider dimensions around 500 by 500 pixels, but choose whatever suits your design needs best. Once you've set your canvas size, it's time to dive into the creative part, designing your sticker. Explore Canva's extensive library of elements, illustrations, and templates. This is your chance to bring your vision to life. Don't rush this step. Take your time to browse and find elements that speak to your style. Now, combine those shapes, illustrations, and text to breathe life into your sticker design. Consider what message or aesthetic you want to convey. Are you designing something whimsical and fun or sleek and professional? Remember, you can adjust colors, sizes, and positioning until everything feels just right. The beauty of Canva is in its flexibility, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you're satisfied with your design, go ahead and look for the Share button. Clicking on it presents several options. To export your sticker, choose the Download option. Opt for PNG format, which is ideal for maintaining quality at various sizes. One critical tip here for bringing your stickers to life is enabling the Transparent Background option. This feature is essential if you plan to use your design on different backgrounds, ensuring there are no unwanted obstructions or borders around your sticker. And there you have it. With your sticker saved, you're ready to use it in other Canva designs, or even prepare it for physical printing. This flexibility is why so many people love designing stickers. You can bring them into your projects or take them into the world as tangible pieces of art. That wraps up today's quick tutorial on creating stickers using Canva. Now it's your turn. Dive into Canva, unleash your creativity, and start making some amazing stickers. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.